Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. This is Rafiq Javed and I am here to discuss on how to perform stock market analysis using Python program. But before doing that, let us start with the basic one. Say, how can we get the current value of a particular stock? For this, we need to import a couple of tools, say an NSE tools, that's National Stock Exchange tool. So I already have that. So how to do the installation? Go to command prompt, type pip3 install NSE tools. I've already installed this. So if you guys are doing this, so please install this particular tool. Now we start writing the code, that is from NSE tools import NSE. Okay, NSE equal to NSE. Now we'll have a user input variable, that is stock underscore input equal to enter stock code. Then now stock equal to NSE dot get underscore code, that is what is the stock input. Now print current value of the stock. Okay, so what this code will do is like, it will just ask for the user to input that stock value, stock code, and based on the stock code it will get me the current value. So this always have a differ, since you guys, this is a caution, like you guys should not use this as for trading, real life trading. This is just for educational purpose, because there is some lagging between this and the real one, say 10 to 15 seconds lagging is there. So basically you guys do not use this for trading purpose. But yes, however, you can put some notifications on alert if you're doing stop loss kind of trading and all. If you're having any stop loss on any stock on stock value, so at that time you can have some notifications of say like 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Earlier you can have a notification set here, and it will give you an alert saying yes, that stock that has been, that limit has been reached, and you guys, you need to be cautious enough. So that can be done here, but yes, this cannot be used for real life trading. So let me run this code. TCS, that's here 2094.95. Next we will be saying, along with this, now we can get some other input value also. Say what was the market open price, what was the day high value, and what was the day low value also. Say market open price, stock dot get open. Then we can go for next day high value, day high to stock dot get day high. Then we can go for day low value, stock dot get. Okay, now let us see by running this code whether we can get the other informations or not. TCS Now let us validate this data with the real NSE website. If you see here, this is the NSE website and this is for TCS. Now you can see the current price is 2094. You can say 2094.5. Then we have market open price. The market open price is 2046.75. You can also see the same price here, 2046.75. Then we have day high as 2100. You can see day high as 2100 here. And then you can see the low is 2046.75, and you can see it low is 2046.75. So this is how we can get the uh, uh, stock price or stock value using Python program. Now we can also get the alert. Say like I have put a stop loss trigger at some value. Say the current price is at 2094.95. Say I have a stop loss triggered at 2093 or 2094 or 2092. So I can get an alert message saying if stock dot get last price is less than 2094 point. So since I have given triggered at 2092 as triggered, so I will be giving it 2093. So if it is less than this, I should get an alert message. Print alert. So at this time it will not give me any alert because the current market price is above that. Okay, but like if I'm giving this as below 95, say I have triggered stop trigger less, I've given as 94, so I'm putting as 95 as my alert warning. So now see, since it is below 95, so it is giving an alert warning. So this is how we can put a notification to the user based on his set stock price value. Now we'll scheduling for every second, so that like every seconds I'm getting this the stock value, updated stock value. So import, I will be importing another model, schedule and time. So schedule, and I need to move this all to be one line. Okay, now schedule dot every 1 second do sh while true dot run script pending time dot sleep. Okay, so I need to get this stock out of here, so I should not put this in my loop. I'll just run the code once again. TCS, so it is getting me 1 minute, and then it is again printing. If you select, it's printing every minute. I'm getting this update value. This is how I can set a schedule for my particular job, so that like every second the stock value should be updated. So hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts or any issues, so please do comment me so that I can help you out. And there will be more videos coming soon, which will be based on how to find for index, how to do for futures and options, and we'll also start working on how to do the market analysis. What are the top shares, top gainers for the day or top losers for the day, and we'll also do some comparison based on all the Nifty 50 companies. So hope you have liked my video. If yes, press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.